Abid, ke pasar yuk. Kak Hakim harus beli perlengkapan untuk market day besok di sekolah.
Ajak Kak Hakim.
Abid, let's go to the market. I have to buy some equipment for market day tomorrow at school, said Hakim.
Tapi Bunda minta tolong Abid untuk temani siapa dulu, Kak?
Kata Abid.
But mother asked me to help her by accompanying Shafa first, Abid said.
Oh iya ya.
Kak Hakim menggaruk-garuk kepala.
Oh, that's right, said Hakim, scratching his head.
Tenang, Kak. Kita tunggu Bunda selesai masak. Nanti Abid minta izin ke Bunda untuk temani Kak Hakim. Syafa nanti sama Bunda.
Ujar Abid lagi.
Setuju.
Kak Hakim tersenyum senang.
Relax, we'll wait for mother to finish cooking. Later I'll ask mother if I can accompany you. Shafa will go with mother, Abid said again. Agreed. Hakim smiled happily.
Jalan mana yang harus dipilih Kak Hakim dan Abid untuk sampai ke pasar?
Which road should Hakim and Abid take to get to the market?
Di pasar, para pedagang ramai menjajakan barang. Abid tertegun melihat beberapa orang anak seusianya yang bekerja sebagai penyemir sepatu dan penjajah makanan ringan. Mereka mengenakan baju sederhana dan sandal yang sudah hampir putus.
In the market, traders are busy selling their goods. Abid is stunned to see several children his age who work as shoeshine boys and snack vendors. They are wearing simple clothes and worn-out sandals.
Bantu Kak Hakim menemukan bahan-bahan untuk market day yuk. Alpukat, gula, buah naga, madu, susu, kon es krim.
Help Hakim find all the things he needs at market day. Avocado, dragon fruit, milk, sugar, honey, ice cream cone.
Kak, Abid juga mau belanja snack. Biar tabungan Abid cepet banyak. Abid mau beli baju dan sandal untuk mereka.
Abid berkata pelan kepada Kak Hakim sambil melihat anak-anak yang sedang bekerja.
Hey, I also want to buy some snacks to sell to friends so that I can save money quickly. I want to buy clothes and sandals for them, Abid said softly to Hakim while looking at the children who were working.
Keren deh Abid. Kata Bu Guru, Rasulullah Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam dulu waktu kecil juga cari uang sendiri untuk bantu paman dan saudara-saudaranya.
Kak Hakim kemudian bercerita tentang masa kecil Rasulullah SAW sepanjang perjalanan pulang.
great, Abid. Our teacher said that when he was young, the Prophet ﷺ also tried to make money to help his uncle and his brothers. Hakim then tells the story about the childhood of the Prophet ﷺ all the way home.